Why is the Kaaba so significant in Islam? An intriguing question that unearths a rich history of faith and devotion, stretching from the era of Prophet Ibrahim to the present day. It all began with Prophet Ibrahim, a revered figure in Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. In Islam, Prophet Ibrahim and his son, Prophet Ismail, built the Kaaba as a testament to their unwavering faith in Allah. This was a time when society had strayed from monotheistic beliefs, and Prophet Ibrahim was tasked with reintroducing the teachings of Tawheed, the belief in one God. After its initial construction, the Kaaba became a beacon for mankind, a center of worship. But as the years wore on, the edifice suffered damage and required renovation. Once again, Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail stepped forward. They rebuilt, repaired, and expanded the Kaaba, ensuring it could continue its divine purpose. Fast forward to the pre-Islamic era, and the Kaaba had evolved into a hub of religious and social activities for Arab tribes around Mecca. Idols and statues surrounded the building, worshipped by various pagan tribes. The Kaaba was now a significant place of worship, a site for ceremonies, and a gathering point for socio-economic events. Then came a turning point, the arrival of Islam. The Prophet Muhammad, as the harbinger of Islamic teachings, re-established the concept of monotheism. He taught the importance of worshipping only Allah. In 630 AD, Islam's influence culminated in the conquest of Mecca, a peaceful takeover that saw the Kaaba restored as a pure place of worship to Allah. In the wake of this victory, the Prophet Muhammad and his companions cleansed the Kaaba of its idols, a symbolic act asserting the supremacy of Tawheed. This was a pivotal moment, marking the start of the Islamic era in Mecca and the spread of Islamic teachings throughout the Arab region. Over time, the Kaaba has undergone various renovations and reconstructions under different Islamic caliphs and rulers. One notable renovation was by the Abbasid Caliphate in the 9th century AD. They expanded the Kaaba and embellished its exterior with marble and precious stones, accommodating the growing number of Hajj pilgrims each year. In summary, the Kaaba's importance is rooted in its rich history, from its origins with Prophet Ibrahim to its evolution as a center of Islamic worship. Its journey reflects the development of Islamic faith, from the re-establishment of monotheism by Prophet Muhammad to the continuous renovations that accommodate the ever-growing number of Hajj pilgrims. Today, the Kaaba stands as a testament to the unwavering faith and dedication of millions of Muslims worldwide.